Are you also missing on your leads because you couldn't reply on time? Then this video is definitely for you. Because in this video, I have bought a fully automated WhatsApp chatbot which will not only interact with your customers but is also going to save the data of your leads on the Google Sheet and automatically follow up them. And now this will keep your customers engaged with you. And not only this chatbot is also going to reply to your customers instantly. So now let me show you how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to work in real time, which I have created by using an automation tool that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp for testing this WhatsApp chatbot. So here I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message that is hello. And right here I'm getting this welcome message with two buttons, that is book appointment and ask questions. So here I have selected this first button of the book appointment, and right here I'm getting the list of the departments for which I can book the service or the appointment. So you can also create a list like this for your services. And now here I'm going to select this first department, that is general physician, and afterwards we are getting a message for selecting the preferred date and time for the appointment. So now let's select the date. So right here I'm getting some of the options for the date. So right here I'm going to select this date, that is June 2, 2026, and as I have selected this date, I'm getting a message which is asking me to select my preferred time slot for this particular date. So now let's select the slot. So here we are getting some of the slots. So here I'm going to select this slot of the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and as I have selected the time slot, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So I'm going to just enter it, and as I'm providing my full name, I'm getting a confirmation message which says your appointment has been confirmed successfully, and here I'm getting the same details of the appointment, that is patient name, the date and the time which I have just entered. So now by using this WhatsApp chatbot, you can even send personalized messages to your customers. Now let's wait for 1 minute because we are going to receive a follow-up message, because I have scheduled that follow-up message to be sent after 1 minute, but you can schedule it according to you to keep your customers engaged. Now let's wait for 1 minute to receive that. And right here you can see that I'm receiving this reminder which says, hi demo user, this is a reminder about your appointment scheduled for this date at this time. So now we are receiving this follow-up message regarding the appointment, but you can send follow-up messages after a few minutes, after a few hours, or after a few days for keeping your customers engaged. And now one more button is remaining, that is ask question. So as I'm going to select this button, I can get the answer of any random questions related to this business. So now here I'm getting this welcome message, that is hello, how may I help you, and here I'm going to enter a random question and we will see whether we get the response of that question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, are specialist doctor available daily? Now let's wait for the response. And now you might be thinking why this will respond to me, because I have assigned AI assistant to this particular button, that is ask question, and here I'm getting the answer of my question. Now let's enter one more question to check it's working. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, are emergency services available? And now let's wait for the response. And now you might be thinking how this AI assistant is responding exactly based on my business. So right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. So here I'm getting all these answers because I have provided the knowledge base to my AI assistant, which is assigned to this particular button. So right here you can see this is the knowledge base or the document containing the details of my business, which basically act as a brain for my AI assistant, and my AI assistant is fetching the data from this knowledge base and responding to my customer queries. And now one more important task is remaining, that is, we just have booked the appointment, and now we have to go towards the Google Sheet and check whether we are receiving this data over the Google Sheet or not. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet where you can see that I'm successfully receiving all the details which I have just entered over my WhatsApp regarding the patient's name, preferred date, preferred time and the department. So now you have seen this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which is multitasking chatbot which is saving the data to the Google Sheet, replying to your customers and even providing the follow-up messages to your customers. So now let me show you how I have created this all-in-one WhatsApp chatbot by just using an automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part is you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating it. So now let's move on towards my flow page. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see that I have already created this WhatsApp chatbot. So if you want to access this page, then you have to type the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this WhatsApp chatbot for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation or this WhatsApp chatbot and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards my flow page where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And right here we are getting these messages and actions block which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. And here we have got this trigger. So trigger is the event which initiates your WhatsApp chatbot. And this trigger event can be keyword or the reject entered by your users, or if your user starts a conversation, or many more. And as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this keyword, that is hello. So this is the same keyword which I have entered over here. And here afterwards I have entered this welcome message for my customers. And I have got this text button note by just drag or drop, or you can get it from this message block too. And afterwards I have created two buttons, that is book appointment and ask question by selecting add button. And now if my user select this button, that is book appointment, I have used the list node. And in this list node I have added some departments, and here I have provided this body to my list and added some departments such as general physician, dentist and skin specialist. And likewise I have created a list of 3 items or the 3 department. But you can add many services according to your business. And afterwards I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here this contact custom field department will consist of the department selected by my user, and adding $sign before this particular contact custom field will help me to send personalized messages. And for getting this contact custom field node, I have used the action block where you can see this node, that is set custom field. And now for creating this contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you will be getting this contact custom fields page where you can create it by simply selecting this add more field button. And afterwards I have used this date and time node, and you can get this date and time node in the message block. So right here you can see that we are getting this node where I have selected my mode as date and time, as I want my user to select both date and time for their appointment. And on this message content I have provided this body to my particular node, and from this button label you can provide the label to the date list button or the slot list button. And in the schedule settings I have selected the day for which my user can book the appointment. And here I have entered the days in advance, means the number of days in advance to display available booking dates. And from this field you can select any unavailable dates for the appointment or any holidays. And afterwards I have added some time slots by simply selecting this add slot button. And from this field of the contact fields, I have selected my contact custom fields related to the date attribute and the time attribute too. And afterwards I have asked a question regarding the full name. So right here you can see that we are getting this node, that is ask question, which I have used. And the next I have used this API request node given over the actions block, by using which I'm going to connect my this particular flow with Pabbly Connect. So now you might be thinking, what is this Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool provided by Pabbly, by using which you can integrate thousands of applications. And right here you can see that we are getting this application which you can access. And here on my Pabbly Connect, I have already integrated Pabbly Chatflow with the Google Sheet. And here you can see that on my Pabbly Chatflow, I have got this webhook URL. So this webhook URL has made the connection between Pabbly Connect and my this flow. And here you can see that in this API request node, I have selected my request method as post, and right here I have added the webhook URL. And here I have added some parameters for which I want to save the data. And according to these parameters, I have selected the contact custom field, and I have sent this test data to the Pabbly Connect, which can be seen over here. And afterwards I have added this data to my Google Sheet, and here you can see that I have mapped all these data. So by this way I have added the data in my Google Sheet, and at last I have sent this confirmation message in the personalized way by using these variables. And these variables basically signifies the contact custom fields. And afterwards I have set the delay, and right here you can see that we are getting this delay node which I have set for the 1 minute. So my this follow-up message will be sent after 1 minute of this confirmation message, but you can set it according to you. Now let's move on towards my second button, that is ask question. So I have assigned AI assistant to this button. So right here we are getting this node, that is assign AI assistant, which I have used. And here you can see that I have created this AI assistant in my Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to create it, then you just have to select AI assistant given over the sidebar. And from here I have selected my AI assistant, and afterwards it is asking me how I want my AI assistant to start with. So I want my AI assistant to start with welcome message. So here I have selected it, and this is the welcome message which will be sent. So this was the simple process for creating an all-in-one WhatsApp chatbot which is performing multiple tasks, and this is going to fully automate my business chat with my client or the customers. And don't forget to save this flow by simply selecting the save button. So isn't it amazing? A WhatsApp chatbot that is going to automate your entire business, and now you don't have to do anything manually because this is going to do so. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.